Hi, my name is Kaelee and I'm one of your Destination Kent State Flash Guides. You heard from Justin about our video series and we're so excited to share tips and tricks as you transition to Kent State University. Today I'm going to be focusing on how to get involved. We talk a lot about getting involved, but honestly, it can seem pretty overwhelming since Kent State has so much to offer. This is normal and a lot of students feel this way, but don't worry, you can start searching for things that interest you right now. Go to kent.campuslabs.com/engage and click on the Organizations tab. On the left-hand side, you can search for different categories that interest you. I want you to take a moment to search for 3 different categories. First, I want you to find something that you're already interested in. Second, I want you to find something that you could maybe be interested in. And third, I want you to click on something that you maybe would never try. After you've done this, I encourage you to seek out these 3 different organizations or clubs when you get to campus in the fall and learn more about them. This will make getting involved more manageable and less overwhelming. As always, if you like this video, share, subscribe, and give us a follow on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Go Flashes!